really where it becomes special is when you connect someone to a job that allows them to operate within their purpose, and they can monetize not only their purpose but their gifts and abilities. And we feel like GCU produces a student that's purpose-driven.
I'm Aiden Goishin. I went through the undergraduate program for electricians. I learned basic wiring, conduit bending. I learned how to be able to engage and talk with future employers and overall what I'm going to be going into in the future.
Being in the program for me definitely helped me professionally write a resume, a cover letter, and speak more in a confident manner about who I am and what I plan to do.
I think that the students are being heavily supported, which is something that I love to see. I love hearing that they're having great opportunities to have those one-on-one conversations, and they're getting, in general, that support, that consistent support is what is giving them the confidence to go out into the world, and they are more than happy to get out there, and they're excited for it, which is the best part of it all.
A lot of the messaging that we give back to the students that we end up hiring is this is the beginning. You went and did 15 weeks of a program at GCU, and now the challenge back to you is that you have 4 more years worth of school. So in order to maximize the return on your investment, our advice is always get into an apprenticeship program and you're a student all over again.
Because of this program, I was able to get even more pay, due to the experience that I got from here. That's very, fortunate. And if you really want a good career and you want a great future, I would recommend this a million times.